Welcome to Auto Apex, the home of the latest and greatest in the automotive world, where we bring you thrilling experiences, detailed insights, and expert reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Enzolux Motorcycle, a futuristic masterpiece that's turning heads and setting new standards in the motorcycle industry. This revolutionary bike promises to change how we think about performance, design, and technology. The Enzolux is unlike anything we've seen before, and in this video, we'll be breaking down every aspect of this extraordinary motorcycle, from its innovative features to its cutting-edge performance. We're going to explore what makes the 2025 Enzolux a game-changer. Now, before we get started, let's talk about why the Enzolux is creating such a buzz. The motorcycle industry has been evolving rapidly in the past decade, and manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of design, power, and eco-friendliness. The Enzolux is a direct response to these advancements, combining electric efficiency with powerful performance and stunning aesthetics. First, let's dive into the design and styling of the 2025 Enzolux. One of the standout features of this motorcycle is its sleek, aerodynamic design. Enzolux has clearly taken inspiration from the world of motorsports. With clean lines and a streamlined profile, the bike's bodywork is made from a combination of lightweight carbon fiber and high-strength aluminum, allowing it to cut through the air with minimal resistance. The design not only focuses on aesthetics but also on improving performance. The lower drag coefficient means the bike is more fuel efficient and can maintain higher speeds for longer distances. Another impressive aspect of the 2025 Enzolux is its futuristic lighting system. The front and rear lights feature a dynamic LED matrix, which adjusts its brightness and pattern based on riding conditions and speed. The front headlamp automatically adapts to the road ahead, providing optimal visibility whether you're riding through the city at night or on dark, winding country roads. This lighting system is not only functional but adds a bold, high-tech flair to the bike's overall appearance. Now, let's talk about the heart of the 2025 Enzolux, the powertrain. This motorcycle is powered by an all-electric drivetrain that combines performance with sustainability. The Enzolux features a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack that delivers an impressive range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. That's right, 300 miles. For an electric motorcycle, this is an outstanding figure. It's perfect for long-distance riders who need both power and range. The Enzolux's electric motor delivers 200 horsepower, which is more than enough to deliver exhilarating performance on the road. Whether you're accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour or taking tight corners on winding roads, the Enzolux offers a level of torque and power that rivals some of the most powerful gas-powered bikes on the market. The motor is paired with a cutting-edge transmission system that ensures smooth, responsive shifting. The bike's torque is available instantly, giving you a seamless, powerful riding experience that's difficult to match in traditional combustion engines. One of the most innovative features of the Enzolux is its regenerative braking system. This system recovers energy when braking and feeds it back into the battery, helping to extend the bike's range and improve efficiency. It's a brilliant feature that reduces energy waste and increases the bike's overall performance. The braking system itself is top-notch, with carbon ceramic disc brakes that offer superior stopping power and durability, making sure that you can stop on a dime, even at high speeds. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Enzolux doesn't disappoint. The bike features an advanced suspension system that includes fully adjustable forks and a rear monoshock, giving riders the ability to fine-tune the ride for any conditions. Whether you're cruising on smooth highways or navigating through bumpy city streets, the suspension system absorbs impacts and provides a comfortable ride. The bike's low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution also contribute to its stability, allowing for precise control, even at high speeds or while cornering. But what truly sets the Enzolux apart from the competition is its smart technology. Enzolux has equipped this motorcycle with an array of cutting-edge features, making it a true marvel of modern engineering. The 2025 Enzolux comes with an integrated artificial intelligence (AI) system that not only monitors the bike's performance in real time but also learns from your riding style to optimize settings for comfort and performance. The AI system can adjust the bike's power delivery, suspension stiffness, and even brake regeneration based on your riding preferences and environmental conditions. For example, if you're riding in heavy rain or on slippery roads, the AI system will adjust the throttle response to ensure maximum traction and prevent wheel spin. Likewise, if you're on a long highway ride, the system will optimize the bike's aerodynamics and power delivery for maximum efficiency. The bike's onboard display provides real-time feedback on its performance, including data on battery life, speed, range, and even tire pressure, so you can always stay in control. Another standout feature is the motorcycle's connectivity. The Enzolux comes with built-in 5G connectivity, allowing riders to connect their smartphones to the bike for a more personalized experience. You can use the bike's app to track your riding habits, monitor the health of the battery, and even find nearby charging stations when you're on the go. The app can also provide turn-by-turn navigation, adjusting the route based on real-time traffic conditions. This seamless integration between bike and smartphone makes the Enzolux an incredibly intuitive machine that truly understands the needs of its rider. Now, let's talk about safety. Enzolux has put a lot of thought into ensuring that this bike is as safe as it is exciting to ride. The 2025 Enzolux features a comprehensive suite of safety technologies, including an advanced traction control system, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic stability control. These systems work together to provide maximum control in all riding conditions, whether you're accelerating hard, braking suddenly, or riding in inclement weather. The traction control system is especially important, as it prevents the wheels from spinning out of control, ensuring that the bike remains stable and responsive. One feature that's become more important as motorcycles continue to evolve is rider assistance. The 2025 Enzolux comes with the forward collision warning system, which uses radar and cameras to detect objects ahead and alert the rider if a collision is imminent. This system can even apply the brakes if the rider doesn't react in time, helping to prevent accidents. Additionally, the bike's side view monitoring system helps you stay aware of your surroundings by alerting you if a vehicle is in your blind spot. The bike's advanced rider safety systems extend to its helmet as well. The 2025 Enzolux comes with a smart helmet that includes a heads-up display, showing you key information like speed, battery life, navigation directions, and incoming calls without having to take your eyes off the road. The helmet also includes a communication system that allows you to talk to other riders or take calls hands-free, adding another layer of convenience and safety. With all these incredible features, you might be wondering about the price. The 2025 Enzolux isn't cheap, but considering the technology, performance, and design, it's competitively priced for what you're getting. The base model starts at around $25,000, which might seem high compared to traditional motorcycles, but when you factor in the level of innovation and luxury, it starts to make sense. If you want to add all the premium features like the smart helmet and enhanced AI system, the price can climb to about $30,000. At that price, the Enzolux is targeting the high-end motorcycle market, where enthusiasts are looking for something more than just a ride. It's for those who want the ultimate combination of style, performance, and technology. With its top-tier electric drivetrain, advanced AI, and safety features, the Enzolux is clearly not just a motorcycle, it's a glimpse into the future of motorcycling. To wrap things up, the 2025 Enzolux is a testament to how far motorcycle technology has come. It's fast, efficient, and intelligent, offering an unparalleled riding experience. Whether you're an avid motorcyclist or someone looking to step into the world of electric motorcycles, the Enzolux is a machine that should be on your radar. It's a bold statement of what's possible when you combine cutting-edge technology with impeccable design and engineering. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Enzolux. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, Subscribe to Auto Apex, and let us know your thoughts on the Enzolux in the comments below. Would you ride this futuristic electric motorcycle? Do you think this is the future of motorcycling? We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and news from the world of automobiles.